Wide Web, email services, and file-sharing apps are how most of us interact with the Internet. The layered architecture of the Open System Interconnection or OSI paradigm make it easier to see the processes that enable network communication. In this chapter, we will look at the application layer and its components: application, services, and protocols. We will look at how these three components work together to ensure reliable communication across the information network.
The application layer is in charge of directly interacting with the underlying process. Manage and deliver human network communication. This layer is the source and the final destination of data network communications. The application of the application layer protocols and services allow users to interact with the data network in a meaningful and effective manner. People can use application to produce message. Application layer services create a network interface. Protocols provide the rules and standards for how data is handled. During a communication session, both on source and destination device, employer, application layer protocols. The application layer is in charge of directly accessing that underlying system that manage and provide human network communication. This layer is the source and destination of the data network communications. Applications are computer programs that interact with the user and the commands that data transmission process at the user request. Services are background programs that link that application layer to the lower layers of the network paradigm. A client can request data delivery over the network from a server. In a peer-to-peer configuration, either device can serve as a client or server, and the data is delivered, depending on the client or server relationship that has been established. Messages are sent and received. To establish and use the relationships, each and device must provide application layer services in accordance with protocols specifications. HTTP, for example, facilitates the transmission of web page to end devices. Email may be sent and received using the SMT or PEP protocols. Users can transfer files via SMB.
DNS converts the human readable names used the first to network resources into network usable numeric addresses. Protocols offer a framework of the agreed upon rules and processes that allow services operating on one device may transmit and receive data from a variety of network services. In addition, a protocol is a collection of rules for structuring and processing data in networking. And network protocols are similar to the computer language, although the computers in a network may have other base software and hardware. The adoption of protocols allows them to interact with one another.